The Hanover police are still trying to establish a motive for yesterday's deadly attack in Mount Pleasant, which left 2 persons dead and 4 more nursing gunshot wounds. Javon Keys has details.
Mount Pleasant, Hanover. Hours after 6 people were shot, 2 fatally. The deceased have been identified as 29-year-old Aaron Melbourne, a resident of the community, and 17-year-old Anthony Salmon of Flankers St. James. It's reported that at about 6 a.m., residents heard gunfire and called the police. On their arrival, the police found the bodies of Mr. Melbourne and the teenager along the Mount Pleasant main road with bullet wounds. Mr. Melbourne's mother said she was in bed when the incident took place.
And when I wake up and come out, I heard several amount of gunshot down the road, firing. And then me know say my son was inside, but I didn't know that him come out. For them did have a little work to go do, but him did go to the shop. And after that now, me not more for me never expect say he was in the shooting still. Them would have shoot him still. So then when I hear the firing of around hundreds of gunshot fire, whole heap.
Mr. Melbourne's cousin Paula says she's in shock.
And when I go down and see him, he got several shots. And he lay down right beside a grave. I can't stop crying for my cousin. My cousin is so good to me.
Boy, me tell you say better if me true me have to live for others, me just say hold it up.
In the meantime, 4 other persons were shot and injured. One of them is Clive Scott.
So you get shot right at your backyard, at your clothesline?
At the clothesline.
What you was doing? Hanging out too?
Hanging out my clothes. Nothing more, and I run in the house. Then me find out, say, boy, me get shot in the squelching, you know.
More than 20 spent shells were found at the scene of the shooting. The incident is currently being investigated by the Major Investigation Division, MID. Javon Keys, TVJ News.